Rubrics are the specific grading criteria used to grade case simulations. If you navigate to the Case Hub and click on the Rubrics tab, you will see an extensive library of pre-created rubrics, built so that faculty have a ready-to-use repository spanning many disciplines. Faculty are free to use these rubrics as is or make any edits to them. They can make these edits manually using these edit icons on the right of the rubric, or they can use Neural Consult's AI wand to explain what they want changed to the rubric in free text. Faculty also have the ability to create their own rubrics from scratch, using existing rubrics from their own course curriculum. If I navigate back to the Rubric Hub and click Create Rubric in the upper right-hand corner, I'll see the flow to do this. Faculty can either create rubrics manually, or again, use the AI wand to generate rubrics using existing documents. I'm going to open the AI wand now, drop in free text of an example OSCE rubric, and Neural Consult will automatically create a rubric for you to review. Here, I'll review all the AI edits, apply them, and I will see the created OSCE rubric here.